Hello everyone. Hi, how are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to all of you in our today's video. Today in our A to Z series, we have the alphabet P, and from P we'll be discussing about Parkinson issues. If you are having Parkinson's, if you feel tremors, okay, then today's video is definitely for you. So let us start with this video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or our Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. So Parkinson's is a disease of our central nervous system, okay, in which our nerve cells get damaged, because of which our body, the dopamine levels in our body gets drops, okay, and we feel like tremors and shaking in your hands, in your lips, or your eyes are twitching, kind of, your legs are shaking, tremors you are feeling, then that is called as Parkinson's issue. So let us see one acupressure point which will help for Parkinson's. Okay, so our point, just see, okay, how we need to locate it. On the back side of our hand, from our index finger, you can see we have a knuckle over here, knuckle on this side, just below the knuckle, towards the middle finger side, we have this point. Okay, this point is called as ND3 point. See, just below the knuckle, okay, on the knuckle itself, we can say just below that, towards the middle finger, not on the outer side but on the middle finger side, we have this point. This point is called as ND3 point. This is Dr. Wall's point, which is specially for all kind of nerve disorders. And as I already said, Parkinson's is also a nerve disorder. So what we will do, with the help of a jimmy, we'll press this point properly for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, we'll press it properly, and then we'll take one paper tape. We'll take one piece of paper tape and we'll apply one buell magnet on this point. If you're not having the magnets, and if you want to buy them, then you can contact us and buy magnets for yourself. Okay, so we'll apply one buell magnet in such a way that the yellow side of the buell magnet will touch the skin, and from the outside you can see the white side of the buell magnet. That means you need to increase the energy of this point. You need to apply the same magnet on both the hands, do this treatment on both the hands, do this treatment daily, and you will definitely feel the results. See, Parkinson issues is not caused in a day or two. Okay, it is a long-term disorder. Similarly, to cure it, we also need time. So please be patient and do this treatment daily, and you will definitely feel the results. So that's all for today. Thank you so much, everyone. If you are liking our A to Z series, then please do subscribe our channel.